Dr. Lee, can facelift make my smile line disappear?
No, it cannot.
This one?
Yeah, it can help a little bit, but you will still have those even after the surgery.
But you can do this, like pull everything out, then it will disappear.
It will not help those lines, but it will help to remove extra skin and it will lift your cheeks, but it does not help the smile lines. No.
But why all the advertisement like before after is like this, like elevated?
You can do a better job with your fingers than I can do with my surgery. The surgery doesn't help with those lines, unfortunately.
Okay. How many years younger I will look if after I do facelift?
It depends on the individual, but many people look 5 to 10 years younger.
5 to 10 years?
But since you look so young, you might look like you're a teenager.
Dr. Lee,
yes.
If I have a jaw line, like extra jowls, is that going to help if I do facelift?
It will. It does help with the jowls.
How long is the recovery time for facelift?
Yes, the recovery time is 1 week to 2 weeks of taking it easy. But it usually takes about 1 to 3 months before things start to look really good.
Really good?
Yeah, so there's a lot of swelling usually, and that will get better, but usually after about a month, most people are looking pretty good. Some people it takes a little bit longer.
How much pain I will expect after the surgery?
Usually not very much. It depends on the individual. I usually will give people pain medications afterwards and they will use it for a few days, but that's all. And so most people feel like it's not that painful.
Will people see my scars if I do facelift?
There will be scars, but we leave them in places where it's very hard to see. So around the ears and behind the ears. And so if you know where to look, then you'll definitely see scars. But if you
医生说，给这个年纪的Lindsey做拉皮咨询，感觉很奇妙。
Oh,
yeah. They're very well hidden.
Okay. Is my earlobe where it looks like this?
No, the earlobe, we do our best to make the earlobe look as normal as it was before surgery. So that's one of the main things we actually have to do is make sure that we don't distort the earlobe. Very important.
Is American surgeon already very developed with the facelift?
Yes. The surgery has been, it was developed in the 1970s. And so we've been using this technique and getting better and better ever since then. So it's been around for a long time. So the techniques are excellent.
Okay. How long will my facelift last? Forever?
The answer is no. It will not last forever because you will continue to age. But your results will last for many, many years. And the way I describe it to my patients is if you have a twin that never had surgery, later on, 10, 15, 20 years later, if you compare yourself to the twin that never had surgery, you will still look younger. Risks are, there's always risks with any kind of surgery. And so the most common risks, even though these are also very rare, is usually bleeding. And so that's why for the first 1 to 2 weeks after surgery, you have to take it easy. Avoid heavy lifting, exercising. I would recommend taking some time off of work as well too because of that risk. There's also risks for things like unsightly scars and also some other scarier risks, but they're all very, very rare.
Okay, thank you.
ありがとね。
You're welcome.